Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another for another video. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Polygon charts. Show you what's this? just show you chop some wood chop. I'm going to show you the Polygon charts. Show you what I see. It doesn't look great, but I'm just going to give you a realistic outcome as to what I'm seeing right now in Polygon. If it sounds interesting to you, drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Let's dive into this. I'm going to be real quick. So, before I go any further, I need to let you know this is not financial advice. Please do your further research before you invest your money. Let's take a quick look at this. Bitcoin's obviously come down. If you haven't seen my video on, TA on Bitcoin, check this one out. Bitcoin to crash again. It's interesting. Really good video, which explains what's happening right now in the Bitcoin price. But we don't want to know about that. We want to know about Polygon. I just thought I'd quickly check here and just give you a little quick update on prices and stuff. Right now, Polygon is at 68 pence, which in cents is, let me just refresh it quick because it shows the cents. Did you see that? Look again, look. It's going to show the cents. Hold on. I can see it, but hold on. I'll get 80 cents. I'm quick. It's about 80. I should have just brought the chart up. Look. I can't help it. I'm going to show you this chart here, which is powerful. I'm using the RSI, the stochastic RSI, and I've got the 21-week moving average, which is this yellow line. And what does it look like here? Look on the side, 1 week. Why am I using the 21? It's a powerful one. Most people go for the 20-week or the 21 or 20 or the 21 moving average. I'm using the 21. They're very similar. You're not going to see much difference. But why am I showing you on the weekly time frame? Because if you are an investor, you invest for the long term. And I just want to be real with you, keep it real with you, show you what I see, right? So right now, since we've had all this hype about Disney, because if you think we were down here for Polygon, and then obviously over the time we got to about here, about 50 cents. Then Polygon announced that they're doing some sort of partnership with Disney. For those that missed it, here it is. MATIC surges after Disney chooses Polygon for accelerated program. This sparked Polygon into like some crazy highs. And now you're seeing like a cool off period. And it came above. We tested this yellow line, which is a powerful line, guys, because if you can break above it and keep some candles above it, we see prices go up. But obviously it hit a candle above. Now we've come straight back down. I think this was because of Bitcoin, nothing else. Because for some reason, and I just don't know why. And you know this as well, like for some reason, Bitcoin always seems to pull the rest of the market down, even if these coins aren't even pegged to Bitcoin. Like sometimes you can buy a coin that says, oh, you can do it with Singularity Net in Bitcoin or MATIC in Bitcoin. Sometimes they don't, but it all seems to pull the prices down for everything else. Maybe some people are selling in other places to reaccumulate loss. But this doesn't look good. But at the same time, it does. And I'm going to explain why. Because right now, it's come underneath this 21-week moving average. But the week, we still got time until this weekend's. Hopefully by Monday, we can see Bitcoin's price come up. We can see Polygon Matic's price come up. It needs to come above this yellow line to remain bullish. And that's as simple as it is. Like these charts, they're not lying. They're, keeping it real straight, telling you how it is. Maybe we can see some price buys come in and push the price up right above this yellow line here, which is about 88 cents. If that happens, great. And it's very likely it can do, because it did something powerful on the RSI. It broke this on the weekly time frame, which is a powerful move in my eyes, because we were overbought, came right down to oversold down here on the RSI. Let me just grab a little circle thing here, clips. And you can see at this moment here, we broke this yellow line. So the purple line came above the yellow line. It was bullish. This RSI could come down and bounce off this yellow line and rise higher. We've seen that happen before. Here's a fine example of this part right here where, the RSI comes down, bounces off the yellow line. Because, if this yellow line could extend, you'd see it bounced off it and it went even higher. And let's just see what price action looks like when it does that. So if we go back to here where, like I said, if it bounced off this yellow line, we're looking at this fall here. So if I'm up here, down to this yellow line and then bounce back above it, you can see there was a wick here where it came down and went back above. So, these things can happen. We could see like just a big wick, loads of buy pressure come back in. So that's what I'm, waiting to see for Polygon on this is the weekly time frame. So it's going to take a couple of weeks to play out. Maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe next week or 2 weeks, we'll see if this plays out. The stochastic RSI, which is the buy momentum. There's been a lot of buy momentum since Disney. You can see here, and we're right up in the overbought, meaning loads of people have been buying. We might see a little call off. If it could stay up here long though. Like if you look at what happened in the past when we was up here back in October of 2021, it was up here above this overbought or overbuy momentum for 70 days. So we could still see, and in that time, if you look here, we saw price just going up and up and up. So if you look at the price action, let me show you. Here, from the moment that it broke out, about here, we saw price go up and up and up. So we could still, 70 days. How long would it put us if Polygon remains above up here for 70 days? We're talking, what date is that? September the 26th. So we could see it come above, come back up and shoot up. We'll see what happens. That's what I'm thinking. Let's take a look at this. This is the EMA ribbons for Polygon MATIC. And as you can see, it did have a tangle in the ribbons, which was a bullish sign, which means there was a trend reversal. But recently it's broke down out of these ribbons. And you can see here that it's been testing it. It's been trying to come back up into the ribbons and, come back above. But look where it got rejected, guys. And this is why the ribbons are so damn powerful, because they show you exactly where price action is going, where it can get rejected. It's using it as a ceiling. It's like it's trying to come above and it can't because it's hitting its head on the ceiling and then it's paddling down. And did you understand that? The price is falling down because it can't come above this red line. These are powerful. Oh, keep banging the mic. Sorry. These are powerful lines. Do not underestimate the EMA ribbons. If you want to get it up yourself, go on TradingView. It's free to join. Sign up. You look for the MATIC thingy here. MATIC chart. I use Binance or KuCoin, whichever one you like. And then over here, you can click on these little squares and you can type EMA, MA exponential ribbon, and it pops up for free. And this is something you can just watch on your journey. I like watching it on the daily time frame and the weekly. Daily is good because you can see what's happening day to day kind of thing. So you want to see it come above 82 cents and remain above 82 cents to be bullish. So let's see if it can break this red line and come above and start hovering in this area and remain bullish. But that's all I've got. Short, sweet and simple. If you liked it, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you are new watching. Are you holding Polygon MATIC? If you are, see it as a good time to be buying, dollar cost averaging. That's what I think anyway. I'm going to bring some videos in the next couple of days on Polygon. How much should you hold? Should you have? Is X amount of Polygon enough? I'm going to bring it. Make sure you don't miss out. So, subscribe. If you want to become a patron, I've got 7 tiers. I recommend you should. Click it. The link is, hold on, let me get it out. The link, whilst I scratch my eye. The link is in the info. I was like, just enjoying it. Like, the link is in the info section down below. Click it, and it will take you over here, and you can choose which tier you want. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier, this one here, because it unlocks all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, selling, staking, all of that stuff. And if you can afford it, go for that next tier above because it gives you my super alerts. You get access to my VIP group, my Telegram group, where I talk to you way before I buy, sell, do anything. I've been going on video call a lot recently as well. So if you're in there already, look out for when I'm on video chat. I'm just sitting there chatting to you guys. Big up to you, John. I was chatting to you before. Miss Boo Boo, I was chatting to you as well. So yeah, come on here. Just chat with me because I do come on video chat and just talk to you guys, and that's exclusive to the VIP patrons. So that because it's in the VIP Telegram group. I'm just chatting away. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.